Is it here yet? Nope. Dang it. What's up? I'm back. Took me a little bit longer than I wanted to, but here's the video. As some of you know from Instagram, I decided to go catless. I went with the JBA Catless Midpipes. I installed them myself. Wasn't too bad. However, I did not film the install because it was rainy, wet, and dark, and I had to go to AutoZone a couple times for a muffler expander and a female torque head to get the studs off. Here's some clips from it, and in between I will throw in some tips to the install and let you guys know what I feel. Perfect timing, perfect timing. Boxes dropped, car's up. I got the bracket loose. I got one of the cats loose, connectors undone. Stay tuned. So, I got the Catless Midpipes in the mail, jacked the car up, loosened all the nuts, loosened the clamps. Everything was ready to be taken off, and then from there I had to go to AutoZone to get a size 8 female torque head to remove the studs on my driver's side. I don't think it's possible to remove the catted pipe on the driver's side without taking out the studs, and I don't know if it's possible to install the Catless mids without removing the studs. So I would just do that first, or just know that you have to do that because it's going to make everything easier in the long run. You can rent the pipes at your local auto parts store, and usually they'll give you your money back, so it's basically free. I loosened the pipes, took out the studs, dropped the catted pipes, put the Catless Midpipes in, I put the Catless Midpipes up and then ran the studs through, just so that way I know that everything was aligned and I didn't have to worry about forcing anything or getting rough. Don't over tighten your studs when you reinstall them. They might break. Don't do it. Everything went smooth. Other than that, just stopping by the store. Yeah, let's crank it up. All right, it's raining. Let's go first start up with the Catless. So, you saw it's super loud. The cold start is ridiculous. It's very, very, very loud. I'm currently running a mid pipe delete, and I have the stock resonators or rear mufflers, but the mid mufflers are gone. Once it gets up to idle, I think it sounds super awesome. It's aggressive, but not overbearing. I don't notice that much drone in the cabin when driving, even up to 2,000, 2,500 RPMs. However, when you get on it and those active valves open up, that thing is freaking loud. It screams. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. My neighbors haven't complained yet, which is good. So I'm very happy with it. Definitely noticed some smells from having no cats, but after a couple of days, honestly, I'm used to it. It doesn't bother me. I think it kind of smells a little bit like Freedom or 93. I'm pumped to throw this thing on the dyno once I get the rest of my parts installed and tuned to see how much horsepower I gained. But yeah, I'm very pleased with it so far. Definitely check out some Catless pipes. I think in the future, actually I know in the future, I just got some Vibrant 1794s. So I'm going to remove the rear resonators, change my tips to quad tips, and then I'm going to throw in some 1794 resonators to tone it down a little bit, and we're going to see how loud that is. I'll make some videos to show you guys how loud it is. It really sucks because these videos don't justify how loud or how good it sounds, but you know, you can only do what you can do. If it's too loud with just the two 1794s, because I'm not sure if they're going to be quieter or louder than the stock rear resonators, then I'll just add 2 more. So I'll go 1 in the mid pipe and 1 in the rear. So I'll have 2 on each side. But yeah, here's some more clips of the Catless. course, had to hit a little gas in there in that parking garage. I was taking some photos and love the sound of it in a tunnel or whatever. I'm sure you guys all do the same thing. Drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. I know I sound like an idiot. I'm not a professional, but here's just my opinion. Here's another video of a Hellcat with a Catless. Subscribe. I got more videos coming. Working on finishing the build, performance-wise for a while. Gonna have a little bit of fun working on getting some more footage of the car itself. Got a tripod I'm gonna try to use. Follow me on Instagram at Mufasa Hellcat. Leave a review, leave a comment, tell me what you think, if you hate it, if you love it, whatever. See you guys soon.